Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B3 serum. First, ensure your face is clean and dry before application. Apply a small amount, about 2 to 3 drops, to your fingertips. Gently pat the serum onto your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully. This powerful ingredient, also known as niacinamide, can significantly improve skin texture and tone. Consistency is key for optimal results. After cleansing, apply your vitamin B3 serum to slightly damp skin. This helps the product penetrate more effectively. Dispense just 2 or 3 drops onto your fingertips. A little goes a long way. Gently pat the serum across your face and neck, ensuring even coverage. Avoid rubbing vigorously, as this can irritate the skin. Allow a minute or two for the serum to fully absorb before moving to the next step in your routine. When layering, apply your vitamin B3 serum after cleansing and toning, but before your moisturizer. This order ensures maximum absorption of the active ingredients. For frequency, most people can use it once or twice daily. If you have sensitive skin, start with once a day and gradually increase. Always listen to your skin and adjust as needed. Consistency in your routine will yield the best long-term benefits. Vitamin B3 serum offers numerous benefits, including reducing redness and minimizing the appearance of pores. It also strengthens your skin's natural barrier, leading to improved hydration and a more even skin tone. Regular use can significantly enhance your complexion, making your skin look smoother and healthier. For more great content and product recommendations, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.